So you're all muted now, guys. We're going to start our webinar for today. We all welcome you, no? Once again, medyo intermittent po yung webinars natin recently, no? Because we're waiting for some updates from the company. Pero now that we have gotten all the updates from the company, alam natin that something big is going to happen, no? In the next few days or weeks, no? Gagawin na natin mas regular itong ating webinar, especially with the coming back of Mr. Anton Sebastian dito sa UK, no? Medyo makakabuelo na tayo, no? So again, welcome to everyone. Welcome sa ating business presentation for today, and we hope that we can give you something to be excited about, no? Once again, no? Bibigyan namin kayo ng updates on our business, no? Sana maramdaman nyo yung nararamdaman namin, no? At ng maraming mga leaders dito, no? We are about to become a part of something big na ilo-launch po ng ating company, no? With regards to our business. And I'm glad, no, na marami tayong nakikita mga bagong pangalan today. That means we are inviting new people here. That's what we need to do, no? We need to invite more people to this opportunity. We need to go back to the basics, no? That's the only way we can prosper once again in this business opportunity. So, wag na natin patagalin. Simulan na natin because I'm very excited, and alam ko na yung co-host natin for today is also very excited about this business, no? And I hope we can pass on, no? Maipasa namin sa inyo itong excitement na nararamdaman namin, no? So, without further ado, I'd like to welcome back and introduce to you our, no, very dynamic host, no? Yung ating pinakamagaling na host sa Thrivers Legacy, the very passionate leader ng ating team ng Thrivers Legacy and his own team as well, ng Thrivers Eagles at Thrivers Champions, no? Let's all welcome back the debonair, kilabot ng Koleana, Mr. Anton Sebastian.
Hello, sir. No? Maraming salamat, Sir Paul, for the good introduction. Sabi nga ni Sir Paul kanina, something big is going to happen to us. Something good is going to happen to us. Lagi nyo yan tatandaan. Ano? And kamusta po kayong lahat? No? It's always so good to be back. No? It's so good that you are here with us. No? And we're so happy that you've joined with us. To all the participants na nandito ngayon sa ating Zoom webinar around the world, and to those who are watching, no, dito sa ating Facebook Live, isa pong mapagpalang araw at gabi sa inyong lahat, sa ating mga guest participants, sa mga bagong invites natin. Kung meron man tayong bagong invite dito, this is another day with fun and a lot of excitement about our business, and also something that you do in the comfort of your home, no? Hello po sa inyo mga ka-Thrivers, mga ka-Unity, mga ka-A to Z, no? Ang tanong ko po sa inyo, no? Do you feel stuck sa inyong finances, no? Right now po, meron tayong trabaho, di ba? May mga trabaho po kayo, o meron kayong napakagandang trabaho, pero ang tanong ko nga po ay parang walang nangyayari. Bakit po kaya, no? Na parang walang nangyayari sa mga trabaho natin? Parang yung ating kinsenas o katapusan, no, ay napakabagal, pero yung sweldo mo napakabilis maubos o kulang pa, di ba? At ang isa pa pong problema ay ito, no? You end up buying liabilities instead of buying asset, no? My name is Anton Sebastian, and I'll be your host today, no? Together with our powerful presenter, no? Ngayon, ang question nga, no? Coach Anton, ano ba yung liability? Ano ba yung asset na sinasabi mo? Yung liability po, yun po yung mga binibilin natin na walang bumabalik na income sa bulsa natin. Yun naman pong asset, yun po yung mga binibili natin na may bumabalik na income para sa atin. Katulad ng mga bagong cellphone na binibili natin, bagong damit, bagong shoes, no? Yan po ay mga liabilities. Alam niyo po ba ang difference ng poor and rich people? Yung poor people po, they buy liabilities. Pero yung rich people, they buy assets. At yung income from those assets, yan po ang pinambibili nila ng kanilang mga liabilities, no? What we're about to present to you guys in this Zoom webinar is an opportunity to acquire an assets na maaring makadagdag sa inyong income. At salamat sa lahat ng mga participants natin na nandito around the world at mga nakikinig sa atin at nunod sa atin sa ating Facebook Live na nag-share ng link natin. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo and welcome po sa ating Zoom webinar. Disclaimer lang po, no? Ang ipipresent po namin sa inyo ay base lamang po sa mga bagong updates na narinig namin at nakuha namin sa company at kung paano namin ito naintindihan. Hindi po kami bayad dito, ginagawa lang po namin ito para po sa impormasyon ng karamihan ng mga business partners and affiliates namin dito sa ating negosyo. And to maximize your experience today, meron lang po kaming request, no? Keep an open mind, saan daw po natin ang ating isipan, no? Para ang isipan to po natin para isang parachute, no? Hindi po ito gagana kung hindi po ito natin bubuksan. Pangalawa po, kindly stay until the end of the presentation. At pangatlo po, kindly pay close attention to the information that you're about to see. Ready na po ba kayo? Are you ready, mga ka-drivers ko, mga ka-unit team ko, mga ka-agency? Ready na po ba kayo na marinig ang ating negosyo, no? And today, no, I'm privileged, no, na maipakilala sa inyo and excited din ako na makasama itong taong ito, no, to be a part of this Zoom webinar, no, na maipapakita namin at maipepresent namin sa inyo. He is a founder of our Drivers Legacy, a gentle baby, no? Kasi nakita ko parang bumata yung kanyang picture. A gentleman, he lives here in England for more than 22 years now. A nurse by profession, an entrepreneur, a loving father, a great provider, great leader and a mentor, and very supportive po yan. At saka sa kanyang mga affiliate. At syempre, napakagaling na kaibigan. Please help me in welcoming the presenter of all time, Mr. Paul de Guzman, aka Mr. Show Me the Money. The screen is yours, Sir Paul. Take it away. Yun, grabe.
Ayun, maraming salamat, Sir Anton. It's good to be presenting this business once again with you, no? Miss na talaga kita, no? So let's all welcome our participants here. I believe we have more than 30 participants here, no? Welcome po sa ating digital business presentation. And as I've mentioned earlier, no, we will be presenting this business para hindi natin ma-miss out itong napakalaking opportunity, no, na binibigay nitong company that which provided us with this opportunity, no? Sana buksan nyo nga lang po yung isipan natin upang maintindihan natin ang bawat information na ibibigay namin sa inyo. At just a disclaimer, lahat po ng ipepresent ko po sa inyo are purely for educational purposes, no? Your success in this business opportunity entirely depends on the time and effort na ilalagay mo dito sa negosyo na ito. Okay? So the question is, no, in our fast changing world, no, napakabilis po ng ikot ng mundo, sabi nga ni Sir Anton, no, we need to be really wise, no, kung saan natin dadalhin yung ating kaperahan, no, kung meron pa, no. Ang hirap na ng buhay ngayon, no, ang dami ng mga tao na nag-struggle ngayon. Just yesterday, no, my wife went to the grocery and she was moaning to me na, Dad, ang mahal na ng mga meat ngayon, no, pati mga chicken, pati mga pork, napakamamahal na, no. But ang question is, how do you cope with it, no? So, ibig lang sabihin, we need to have an additional source of income, no? Hindi na tayo pwede magdepende lang doon sa kinikita natin sa ating mga trabaho. We also need to be wise on spending our money and make sure na ginagamit natin yung pera natin doon sa mga sinasabi ni Sir Anton kanina na mga assets, no? Ano nga ba yung mga assets na yan? Ang assets is something that puts money into your pocket. Ang liability naman, yung anything that takes money away from your own pocket, no? So, yan, napakalinaw dyan. Kailangan aware po tayo dyan, no? But there are also other things, no, that can make us financially successful in this ever fast changing world, no? And I'd like to show you a short video para mas maintindihan natin kung ano ba yung mga kailangan natin gawin upang hindi tayo mapag-iwanan at pulutin sa kangkungan during this financial struggles, no? So, bear with me, maikli lang po itong video. I just want you to understand kung ano ba nangyayari sa mundo ngayon, no? In order to become successful, you need to learn how to adapt, no, in what's going on around you. Kailangan mo rin mag-take ng mga risk, no? Calculated risk, no? Wag yung masyadong malalaking risk, no? Pero sabi nga nila, the bigger the risk, the bigger success you can achieve, no? Pero siguro magsimula tayo dun sa calculated risk, no? Yung mga maliliit na risk na pwede nating tapangan yung sarili natin, no? Para maka-step tayo dun sa first ladder ng success, no? And number 3, commitment, no? Kailangan natin mag-commit, no? Kailangan hindi yung sisimulan natin tapos mahirapan lang tayo and then we will give up, no? Kailangan we have 100% commitment and we will not give up, no, until we reach kung ano man yung goal na gusto nating marating, no? So those are the things that we need to do in order to become financially successful sa mundo natin ngayon na napakabilis ng pag-ikot. Okay? So I'll give you an example, no, with the Bitcoin, yung power ng cryptocurrency. This was the Bitcoin price prediction chart in 2009 to 2013, no. In 2009 nung lumabas yung nang una yung Bitcoin, no, wala pang value, no, 50 pesos nga lang ang value ng isang Bitcoin. I was offered to invest in Bitcoin. I'm sure most of you was offered to invest in Bitcoin, pero karamihan sa atin, no, nagkaroon ng doubt in our minds, no, kahit 50 pesos lang yun, parang nangihinayang pa tayo mawala. Sabi natin, scam yung Bitcoin, walang mangyayari dyan, parang bulang, mawawala din yan after a few years, no. Pero what happened since 2009, no? 2023, the value of Bitcoin is now more than $30,000 US, no. Kaya posible na matupad yung prediction na yan, na by 2030, aabot na ng $100,000 ang value ng isang Bitcoin, no. We missed out. Most of us have missed out in that opportunity, no, dahil dun sa doubt and fear na pinabayaan natin na magkontrol sa atin, no. Which could have been, no, sana kung hindi tayo natakot, no, kung hindi natin inisip na scam yung Bitcoin, no, sana mga multimillionaire na tayo ngayon, di ba? And now I'm going to present to you similar opportunity, no, especially in the world of cryptocurrency, and sana wag na natin ma-miss out this time, no. Otherwise this is going to be another thought gun, no, in the opportunity that got away from us, no. Sana hindi po, di ba? So all I want to request to you is, sabi nga ni Sir Anton, to keep an open mind, dahil pag nag-open tayo ng isipan natin, we learn new skills, we learn new options, and we learn new opportunities. Sabi nga nila, in order to adapt, you need to be willing to change your mindset. What separates you and the things that you want in life is your willingness to change your mindset. Okay? So ready na po ba kayong makita itong opportunity na to? Tinawag namin itong business for everyone. Bakit kamo? Kasi isang negosyo ito na pwedeng gawin ng kahit sino, pwedeng gawin kahit kailan, pwedeng gawin kahit saan. Hindi mo rin kailangan ng malaking kapital in order to start this up. Maliit na puhunan lang, pwede ka nang kumita ng doble, triple, or even 4 times to 5 times, hanggang 10 times ng kinikita mo sa yung full-time job income, full-time job ngayon. Dito, pwede kang kumita in euros, pwede kang kumita in the form of NFT o yung non-fungible token, no, na isang digital asset din. At of course, pwede kang kumita in cryptocurrency. Dito, pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro ka, no? Dati, talagang kayod marino, no, talagang dugot pawis ang punan natin upang kumita. Dito ngayon, pwede ka nang kumita habang naglalaro ka, pwede ka rin kumita habang natutulog ka, no. Exciting po ba 'yon? Type 1. If that is something that excites you, no. Transferable, no, pwede nating iwan na sa legacy, pwede nating ipamana, ilipat doon sa pamilya natin in case something unfortunate happens to us, no, na wag naman, no, knock on wood. Pwede natin siyang ipamana, no, kahit sa mga anak natin, even to the next generation, yung mga apo natin. At ang kagandahan nitong negosyo na to, you can work from home because this is a business that is 100% mobile. Ibig sabihin, kahit saan ka pwede mong gawin yung negosyo, dahil ang kailangan mo lang to run this business is something na majority of us ay meron na, no, yung ating pong mahal na mobile phone natin, no. How are you spending your time in terms of your mobile phone? No, dot ka ng dot, you spend several hours. Ang question, kumikita ka ba? Today, we're going to change that. Kung hindi ka kumikita, we will teach you how to use your mobile phone and convert it into a powerful online business wherein pwede kang kumita, no? And all those income will go through your mobile phone. O ganyan naka-powerful yung mobile phone natin ngayon. Okay? Now, so ano pa pag-uusapan natin today? We'll talk about the company, we'll talk about the products and services. Pag-usapan din natin kung paano ka kikita dito sa negosyo, and we will show you kung paano ka magsisimula dito. Let's talk about the company first briefly, no? Because without the company, wala tayong business opportunity. The name of the company is C1. Ang vision po ng company na to is to provide each of us a sustainable business opportunity, no. Binibigyan tayo ng access, no, dun sa mga exciting technologies katulad ng cryptocurrency, ng Web3, ng NFT at ng virtual gaming, etc., no. Nagsimula po itong company na to as an affiliate marketing company. Anong ibig sabihin ng affiliate marketing company? Tulad ng Uber, tulad ng Amazon, tulad ng Booking.com, no. Itong mga companies na to, wala silang sariling produkto, pero ang laki ng kinikita nila, no, kahit wala silang sariling produkto. How? Uber, for example, pagka tumawag ka ng taxi through Uber or Grab, no? Sa Pilipinas yata walang Uber, Grab. Pag tumawag ka ng taxi, no? Sumakay ka dun sa taxi na yon, pero binook mo siya by Grab or Uber, no? Part of the money na binabayad mo sa taxi driver napupunta sa Uber. no? Pag nag-book ka naman pag bumili ka naman ng produkto sa Amazon, hindi nila pag-aari yung produkto na yun. Pero part of the payment mo kaya dun sa produkto na yun, napupunta kay Amazon. Pag nag-book ka naman ng hotels or ng flight kay booking.com, no? Part of the payment, no, na binigay mo ay napupunta naman kay booking.com. Ang tanong, sino mas mayaman? Yung taxi driver o yung may-ari o yung may-ari ng taxi o yung may-ari ng Uber? Yung may-ari ng Uber. Sino mas mayaman? Yung bumili ng yung company na may-ari ng binili mong gamit kay Amazon o yung may-ari ng Amazon? I'm sure yung may-ari ng Amazon si Jeff Bezos, one of the richest people in the world, no? Pagka nag-book ka ng holiday, no? Sinong mas mayaman? Si booking.com o yung may-ari ng hotel, yung may-ari ng hotel o yung may-ari ng booking.com? I'm sure ang mas mayaman yung may-ari ng booking.com, but they don't have the products, no? Kaya lang meron silang napaka-powerful na online marketing platform na ginagamit ng lahat ng mga companies na yon, no? Upang ma-promote yung kanilang mga products and services. And that is what C1 is all about. Meron tayong powerful online marketing platform kahit wala tayong sariling produkto, no? Malaki ang kinikita ng C1, and part of the money na kinikita ng C1, instead of paying it to marketing people o mga sales agent, binibigay niya sa atin yung opportunity na kumita ng malaki using the C1 platform. Di ba ang ganda? So, nagsimula po itong company na to in 2019, January. So, magpa 5 years na po tayo, no, by January 2024. In over those 5 years, phenomenal po naging success natin. Umabot na po ng more than 50 million ang ating affiliates worldwide. Operational na po yung company natin in more than 85 countries to date. And at one point, we were the #1 crowd marketing company in the world, no? Ngayon yata nasa top 5 pa rin tayo, but we are about to launch this product that will put us back into the #1 position. Kaya excited po tayo because we are gearing up to become the #1 company once again. Okay? Now, ano ba yung mga produkto at serbisyo natin, no? Maraming industriya na tinatap itong company natin. Nandiyan yung NFT, trading, and gaming through our products Planet IX and Metaverse, no? I will talk about Planet IX later, pero yung Metaverse po is a virtual trading platform, no? So basically, magte-trade tayo ng ating mga virtual stocks, no, sa mga virtual companies that are only existing in the metaverse, no? So ito pong product na to is i-launch ng company in the next few months, kaya very excited din tayo sa product na ito. The company is also tapping into the mobile gaming industry. Nandiyan na po, pwede niya nating laruin yung product ng Rebel Nation na Emperor Knights, where we can also make money out of playing the game. Nandiyan din po yung ating mga online education platform tulad ng Mindo and Tigra. Yung Mindo po is an online education platform that provides us with a lot of information, helpful information, no, about business entrepreneurship. Nandiyan din naman po ang Travelia, which is a travel and lifestyle product, no, where you can have your own hotel booking engine. And of course, yung upcoming launch ng ating pinakamalaki, potentially our biggest product, yung C1 token natin, ang ating sariling Bitcoin, ang ating sariling cryptocurrency, no? Malapit na po yan. Nagkaroon na po ng pre-launching, basically na soft launch, pero yung full launching po niyan, we are expecting it in the next few weeks or maybe hanggang bago matapos yung taon na ito, no? Kaya very excited po tayong lahat. So lahat ng produkto at serbisyo na yan, no, nakapaloob po sa mga packages na pwede nating pagpilian upang masimulan natin itong napaka profitable na business opportunity na to. Now, I won't be able to discuss, no, in details lahat ng produkto at serbisyo. Pumili lang po ako ng ilang produkto that I'd like to explain to you in more details sa pagpapakita ng isang video, no, na kinreate din ng company para maintindihan nyo what the product is all about, no? So, unahin natin itong tinatawag na Planet IX. Ang Planet IX, tulad ng Metaverse, is also a virtual strategy game, no, which is blockchain based. We are now, no, currently the #1 Polygon based strategy game in the world, no. We have beaten yung mga competitors natin. Tayo po ang #1. So ang Planet IX po, blockchain based strategy game na kung saan ang objective natin ay bumili, magbenta at mag-trade ng mga virtual properties tulad ng mga virtual real estate, mga NFT o mga non-fungible token, no? Para mas maintindihan nyo, panoorin natin itong short video na ginawa po ng company. Kompleto sa Ricardo's na po ito. Malalaman nyo kung paano laruin yung game at kung paano tayo kikita dito.
The year is 450 after Earth. Agents of change have unknowingly returned to their former home. They call it Planet IX, a world destroyed, full of ancient ruins and wastelands. Their mission is simple: restore, rebuild, and resurrect. Planet IX is an NFT-based strategy game, offering a fun and challenging path to earn rewards in the game's own currency, IX token. The game went on-chain in November 2021 and has since experienced strong growth. Planet IX is currently ranked as a leading game across all blockchains, with more than 100,000 wallets connected daily and over 220,000 wallets holding IXT. The game consists of 4 hubs, all integrated to create a dynamic user experience catering to a broad audience. Trade and build. Planet IX is a digital rendition of Earth, divided into 1.7 billion hexagons called PIX, each one a tradable NFT. Collect PIX with the aim to form territories by connecting a number of adjacent PIX on the map, as territories unlocks IXT rewards. PIX can be acquired directly on Planet IX's own marketplace or in special packs. In Marketplace, you may also trade other in-game assets to be used strategically in the part of the game called Mission Control. Farm and play to earn. In Mission Control, you can monetize your assets when placing PIX on land tiles. The tiles will start producing waste, which can be collected either manually or through time-saving technology like drones and rovers. In Planet IX, waste serves as a valuable resource that can be converted to consumable assets, which are needed to build facilities. Facilities produce energy, the ultimate asset in Mission Control, as energy can be spent on exclusive packs or staked for IXT rewards. All in-game assets are NFTs that you own and monetize. This is Planet IX's free-to-play and play-to-earn mechanic. Staking and DeFi. As you start building territories or producing energy, you can head over to IX Foundation, Planet IX's GameFi platform. Here you may lock up your collected assets to earn IXT. IX Foundation also offers staking rewards for staking IXT, as well as providing liquidity, creating a natural landing page for anyone who owns or is interested in IXT, gamer or not. Gaming and esports. Whether you want to enjoy just a casual game or a multiplayer competitive one, visit the IX Arena. IX Arena is funded by revenues generated from Marketplace and Mission Control, and by playing the games, you have the chance to earn IXT. This provides an excellent opportunity for new players, as you can use your winnings to explore the full Planet IX experience in Marketplace, Mission Control, and IX Foundation. To find out more about Planet IX and start playing, head over to planetix.com.
Ayun, no? I'm sure all of you, most of you knows about Planet IX. It's a multifaceted, no, gaming platform, standalone product ng ating company, where you can start earning in cryptocurrency, no, particularly yung IX token natin, di ba? And of course, our next product na ipapakita ko po sa inyo is our travel and leisure product. Ang pangalan po nito ay Travelia, no, which is now live. This is our very own hotel booking engine. I'm sure you've heard of booking.com, of hotel.com, no? Every time you go and travel, dyan po kayo nagbook ng mga hotels nyo, no? But what if I tell you na through Travelia, you can even avail of up to 65% discount as a privilege of a C1 member, no? When you book your Travelia, all you need to do is to identify kung saan yung gustong pumunta, no? It can be a 3-star, a 4-star, or 5-star hotel, and no, tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaking discount ang pwede nyo makuha, no? I was on the travel portal natin yesterday. I was looking for a hotel, no, that wherein gusto kong i-celebrate yung anniversary namin mag-asawa, no? And I can't believe the amount of discount na pwede natin makuha with Travelia, no? So let me show you a video of kung paano ba yung mechanics ng Travelia na ito. So that's Travelia for you, no? So now, no, tulad ng sabi natin sa invitation natin, in this business opportunity, you can play to earn, you can learn to earn, and also you can travel, no, to earn in this business opportunity. So those are the featured products natin, no? Yan po yung mga exciting products and services sa loob po ng C1 company natin, no? You have Planet IX and Metaverse, you have Mindo and Tigra, you have Travelia on our travel and lifestyle, you have Emperor Nights, and then, no, the upcoming launch ng ating pinakamalaking produkto, which is the C1 token. I will now talk about the upcoming products, yung ating pong C1 token. Are you ready for our C1 token? Ang C1 token po will be a major player, no, sa cryptocurrency world natin. Ang aim po ng company natin is to become to become the top Polygon blockchain-based na cryptocurrency token, no? At mangyayari po yan, no? Nagawa po natin yan with our Planet IX. We became the number 1 in no time. Magiging number 1 din po ang C1 token natin. This is Polygon-based and will be exchanged in the ERC20 platform, no? Ang goal din po ng ating company natin is to become one of the top 5 cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ethereum. At mangyayari po yan. And ang key nyo po, ang susi nyo po to have those C1 tokens ay ang negosyo na to. Ito pong 5 different packages na nakikita nyo sa harap nyo, no? Yung Earth, Air, Water, Fire, and Thief. And I'm now going to explain to you kung paano tayo may engage dito sa negosyo na ito. There are 2 ways to engage in this business. Unang-una, pwede kang maging member, libre po yan. All you need to do is to start referring our products and services to your friends, to your families, to your colleagues, no? At bibigyan ka ng opportunity ng company ng 3 paraan upang kumita dito. But the big way to earn in this business opportunity is not to just become a member, but to become an entrepreneur. How do you become an entrepreneur? By simply purchasing one of those 5 packages, no? And then start using them, start referring people, at mag-start ka mag-build ng team of customers and also team of entrepreneurs like you. And that way, bibigyan ka na ng company ng 6 na iba't ibang paraan upang kumita dito sa negosyo na to. Let me show you the first. Become an entrepreneur. How do you become an entrepreneur? By purchasing one of the C1 NFT element packages. Nandiyan po yung Earth, yung Air, yung Water, tsaka yung Fire, no? Iba-iba ang presyo, iba-iba yung laman, no? Syempre, the bigger the packages, mas marami kang benefits and products na makukuha dyan. And of course, ma-maximize mo yung earning potential mo. So if you are to ask me kung ano yung pinakamagandang package, I would always say yung pinakamalaki yung Fire package. But you have choices. Nandyan po yung Earth package natin for only 129 euros or 7,700 pesos. Makukuha mo na yung Earth package natin. Anong laman ng Earth package na yan? This is powered by all the products and services na pinakita ko sa inyo. Pero ang pinaka-importante dito, yung NFT tsaka yung C1 token mo. With the Earth package, you have your Earth NFT, no? The Genesis Generation NFT na unang-unang pinroduce ng company. Kaya in-expect nila that the value of this digital asset will grow over time. Importante din yung C1 token natin. With the Earth package, you will get certain amount of C1 token, no? Papaliwanag ko yan sa inyo mamaya, no? So pag launch po ng C1 token na ito, meron na kayo in your hands because of those packages, no? But if you want to go bigger, nandiyan naman po yung air package natin for only 319 euros or more or less mga 20,000 pesos. Dalawang NFT na ang bibigay sa'yo ng company, the Earth and the Air, plus more C1 token, no? And of course, the different products and services ng ating company. You also have the water package for 819 euros, mga 50,000 pesos lang po ang value niyan in Philippine peso depending on the conversion rate. Tatlong NFT na including the water NFT, plus you get more C1 token. And with the fire package for only 2,519 euros or 150,000 pesos, meron ka ng 4 na makapangyarihang NFT, no? Including the fire NFT, no? Para ka ng Encantadia niya, no? Kapangyarihan ng lupa, ng hangin, ng tubig, at ng apoy. And of course, you get more C1 token, no? Mamaya malalaman nyo kung ilang C1 token na makuha nyo to start with. Okay? So yan po yung 4 na packages na pwede natin pagpilian in order to start this business opportunity. And again, if I were you, kung business-minded ka, I would definitely go for the fire package straight away para ma-maximize mo yung earning potential mo. But if not, kung meron kang problema sa budget, it's better to start on the smallest package na Earth, and then pwede ka naman mag-upgrade to a bigger package later on as you do the business. No? Hanggang marating mo yung pinakamalaking package, especially pagka kumikita ka na dito sa negosyo na to. Okay? Now, let's talk about the C1 token kasi ito yung pinaka-highlight ng ating presentation for today. Alam niyo ba, no, by getting or purchasing one of those C1 element package, no, ito yung number of C1 tokens na pwede nyong makuha, no? So, this will prepare you for the big launch ng ating C1 token, no? If you have an Earth package, you will get 1,000 C1 token as an airdrop, no? Pag sinabi kong airdrop, libre na yan, kasama na yan doon sa package nyo, wala ka nang babayaran na additional payment dyan, no? Air package will give you 2,500 C1 tokens. Water package will give you 7,500. Water package. Fire package will give you 20,000 C1 tokens. And then meron pang isang pinakamas malaking package, yung fifth element package, which is available pagka merong ongoing promotion, no? Or on upgrades. Pag meron kang fifth element package, meron kang maximum of 35,000 C1 tokens. Now, this is what I want you to do. Use your imagination. Remember yung sinabi ko kanina about Bitcoin, which started at 50 pesos, pero ngayon $30,000 na. Think the same way about the C1 token. Sabihin natin, pag launch yung C1 token, maliit pang value niya, no? Pero inaasahan namin na this is going to be bigger dahil meron na tayong 50 million, no, na captive market, yung mga existing members na who will utilize and use this C1 token. Tapos gagamitin pa daw tong C1 token do sa Planet IX natin, no? So this is going to become a utility token. Ibig sabihin, pag mas maraming gumagamit, mas tataas ang value, di ba? Mas tataas ang demand dun sa C1 token na yan. So, imagine kung meron kang 1,000 C1 tokens lang sa Earth package, no? Tapos pag-launch ng C1 token natin, ang value lang yan, mga 1 cent lang, for example, no? E di meron kang 1,000 cents of a dollar, di ba? Pero, ang titignan natin dito, ang imagine natin dito, yung posibleng mangyari sa C1 token after a year, or after 2 years, or after 5 years, katulad ng Bitcoin. What if in a year time or 2 years time, ang value na ng isang C1 token ay $1? $1 na lang. E di meron kang $1,000 for doon sa Earth package mo, di ba? E paano kung meron kang Fire package or even fifth element package, meron kang 35,000 C1 token, no? From 35,000 cents magiging $35,000, no? Ang pag-aari mong value ng C1 token mo. So that's how you think, and that's how you should put your mindset, no? Pagka ganitong crypto token ang pinag-uusapan natin tulad ng Bitcoin. So we don't miss out once again, no? Katulad ng pag-miss out natin dun sa Bitcoin. Actually, pwede ka pa naman mag-invest sa Bitcoin, no? Pwede pa rin dahil patuloy pa rin yung pagtaas niya, no? Pero it would be difficult for an average income, no, na person na mag-invest sa Bitcoin dahil napakataas na ng value niya, no? Mataas na pagbibilhin mo. Pero dito sa C1 token, we have an opportunity, no, to start on the ground, no? Ilo-launch pa lang yung C1 token, dapat nandoon na tayo para paglaki ng value ng C1 token, no? Hindi na tayo magsasabi ng sana all, no? Dahil part tayo ng growth na yon. Okay? So, I'm excited. I hope you are excited. Type 1 po dyan sa chat box natin if you are excited about the future of C1 token. Now, How do you get more C1 token? Ito yung good news from the company. If you join the company from 2009, 2020, 2021, or 2022, no? Naalala nyo, in 2009 to 2020, meron tayong tinatawag na Crowd 1 rewards, no? Na hindi natin alam kung paano natin mawi-withdraw noon, paano natin mako-convert into cash, no? We had DPN later on, pero medyo tumagal pa rin, nag-drag pa rin siya, no? But now we had an opportunity to convert our Crowd 1 rewards into money, no? Not only the Crowd 1 rewards, but also the loyalty points. Dahil itong dalawa na to, i-convert ng company into C1 token, no? Hindi pa lang natin alam yung value niyan, pero the more Crowd 1 rewards and loyalty points you have, the more additional C1 token you will have in your wallet, no? And that's very exciting kasi ako, I think I have tens and thousands of Crowd 1 rewards, no? Kaya very excited din ako about this, okay? So yan po yung ating good news from sa ating company. And more good news, the company has launched this incentive trip for 2024 and that is in Maldives, no? Ako po, nasa bucket list ko po yung Maldives. I don't know with you, pero it's like a paradise for me, no? Para ka mag-qualify sa Maldives, no, you need to have at least, no, 5 new sign-ups or upgrades, no? Na water package, fire package, tsaka fifth element package, no? Kailangan maximum yung growth dun sa lesser leg volume mo o yung pay leg mo, at ang qualification period natin is from 9th of October to 10th of January. Let's all target to be in this trip dahil napakaganda po ng place na yan, yung Maldives na yan, no? And the qualification is not even difficult, no? 5 new sign up lang, meron ka ng pasok ka na, no? Pasok ka na doon sa mga incentive trip na to in 2024. Just read the terms and conditions, no? Of course, kailangan active ka, meron kang at least 5 activity points personal, no, in order to qualify in this incentive trip. And not only that, nandyan din po yung upgrade for free natin, no, na launch mo ng company, supposed to be ang deadline yan today. The good news is it's extended until the 15th of November, no? So meron pa tayong 15 days, no, to not miss out on this great upgrade opportunity ng ating company. Ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Pagka bumili ka ng Earth package, that will automatically be upgraded to Air package, no? Pagka bumili ka naman ng Air, that will be automatically upgraded to Water, no, without any additional payment. Pagka bumili ka naman ng Water, that will be automatically upgraded to Fire. And if you buy a Fire package, that will be automatically upgraded to Fifth element for free, no? So now you have another 15 days. That's how generous the company is. Binigyan tayo ng additional 15 days para ma-avail itong upgrade promo natin. Okay? Now, let's talk about more money. Let's talk about the compensation plan. Paano ba tayo kikita ng malaki dito sa negosyo na to? There are 6 different bonuses na binigay sa atin ng company, no? Nandiyan po yung crowd bonus, yung matching bonus, yung fear of loss bonus, yung residual bonus, nandiyan po yung sales bonus, tapos nandiyan pa yung play to earn. Yung play to earn, yun po yung kay Planet IX, tsaka kay Metaverse, tsaka kay Emperor Knights. Mga standalone po yan. Let's focus our attention dun sa 4, yung crowd bonus, matching bonus, yung fear of loss bonus, tsaka residual bonus. Dahil dito po, sa mga bonuses na to, tayo kikita ng malaki. Yung usually kinikita lang ng mga big time na negosyante, no? A financial retirement income, no? Yung hindi mo na kailangan magtrabaho ng 30 to 40 years para lang makapag-retire. Dito sa negosyo na to, we can even retire in less than 5 years, no? Basta gawin mo lang ng tama itong negosyo na to. Let's talk about crowd bonus. Otherwise known as binary bonus, no? Ang crowd bonus po ay one of the bonuses na kinikita natin based on the purchase of the C1 NFT packages. Ito po yung part kung saan kailangan natin mag-invite o mag-share ng opportunity to everyone, no? Invite natin yung mga KKK natin, kamag-anak, kaibigan, kaklase, kalaro, lahat po ng KKK natin, no? So basically, bawat na-invite natin na bibili ng mga packages na yan, nakakaipon tayo ng tinatawag na BP. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng BP? You can call it a business points or you can also call it a binary points. Yung mga BP na yan, ang pagbabasihan kung magkano ibabayad sa atin ng company na crowd bonus. I-divide ng computer system yung total binary points mo by 10 o kukunin yung 10% nito. So, bawat package na binibili natin from the company, merong katumbas na business points yan. For example, if we purchase the Earth package, merong kang 55 binary points. Pag pinurchase naman natin yung Air package, meron kang 150 binary points. Pag water package, meron kang 400. Pag fire package, meron kang 1,250 binary points. So, for example, bumili ka ng yung mga in-invite natin o ni-refer natin ay bumili ng Earth package, pwede nating maipon dyan ay mula 110 hanggang 220 DT. Magkano kikitain natin na crowd bonus? Di ba sabi ko 10%? So 10% ng 110 DT, 11. 10% ng 220, 22. So you will earn 11 to 22 euros. Pero pag mas malaking package, for example, air, that would give you 300 to 600 DT. Pag water naman, 800 to 1,600 DT. Pag fire naman, meron kang 2,500 to 5,000 DT. Ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung kikitain mong crowd bonus. In the case of fire, ang pwede mong kitain dito mula 250 hanggang 500 euros. Para mas maintindihan nyo, ilagay natin yung mga BP na yan sa ating binary structure. For example, sumali ka sa negosyo, tatawagin kang affiliate or member, bibigyan ka ng space ng company sa computer program kung saan yan na mag-monitor ng lahat ng mga business transactions mo. Pwede ka mag-build ng dalawang team, isang team sa kaliwa at isang team sa kanan. Ma-activate mo yung crowd bonus mo pagka meron ka ng isang direct referral sa kaliwa at isang direct referral doon sa kanan, no? That will activate your 1-to-1 binary bonus, no? So 1-to-1, mayroon ka isa sa kaliwa, isa sa kanan, mag-start ka ng kumita dito. So pagsasamahin ng computer system, yung binary points mo depending on the package na binili ng mga ni-refer mo. For example, Earth lang binili nila, meron kang 110 BP, kikita ka na magkano? Kumita ka ng 11 euros, no? For 1:1. Now, of course, no, yung nasa left and right mo, naintindihan nila na para sila naman ang kumita, kailangan din nila mag-refer. No, siyempre, yung re-refer nila, pwedeng hindi mo nakakilala, hindi mo kaibigan, pero magiging part pa din ng team mo yon. For example, yung nasa left, nag-refer ng kaibigan, nilagay sa left side niya, yung nasa kanan naman, nilagay dun sa right side niya. Para kung kumuha ng Earth package, meron ka na namang 110 BP, assuming na Earth package lang yung binili nila. Meron ka na namang another 11 euros. Ito mas exciting. Yung nasa left at right mo, nag-refer pa ng mga kaibigan from different parts of the world. Halimbawa sa UK, no, nurse, kumuha din ng Earth package. Yung nasa right naman, nag-refer ng kaibigan niya from Australia, kumuha din ng Earth package. Ang ibig sabihin yan, no, meron ka na namang 110 BP na nanggaling from another part of the world, no, sa Australia at UK, pero kumita ka pa rin doon ng another 11 euros. So you can have a business from different parts of the world without physically going to those particular countries, no, para ka nagkakaroon ng franchise, no, sa iba't ibang bansa, di ba? Of course, yung nasa left at right mo, magre-refer pa yan ng people from different parts of the world. So for every 1:1, meron pang 660 pesos na napupunta dun sa personal account mo or your account balance na nandun sa mobile phone mo. However, sa 1-to-1 ratio, hindi palagi magiging balanse na 1-to-1 yan. Maaring magkaroon ka na mas marami sa kaliwa kaysa sa kanan or mas marami sa kanan kaysa sa kaliwa. But don't you worry dahil bukod sa 1-to-1, meron din tayong 1:2 ratio. What does 1-to-2 ratio means? Ang ibig sabihin niyan, halimbawa may naunang dalawa sa kanan, saka ka nagpasok na isa sa kaliwa, babayaran ka pa rin ng company dyan, no? Based on 1-to-2 ratio. Pagsasama-samahin yung tatlong 55 binary points, considering, no, assuming na puro Earth package din namin nila, meron kang 165 BP, kumita ka ng 16.5 euros or 990 pesos. Meron din tayong 1:3, tatlo yung nasa kanan, saka ka pala nagpasok na isa sa kaliwa, babayaran ka pa rin ng company, no? Wala nang hintay-hintay yan. 4 na transaction, 4 times 65 binary points, meron kang 220 BP, babayaran ka ng company ng 22 euros or 1,300 pesos. Pero Kuya Paul, paano kung puro air package yung binili nung 4 na yan? Edi masaya dahil mas malaki yung magiging crowd or binary bonus mo. That's a total of 60 euros or 3,600 pesos. So the bigger package they purchase, the bigger your crowd bonus will be. For example, pag water package naman, meron kang 160 euros or 9,600 pesos at lalo na pagka fire package ang binili nila, meron kang 500 euros or 30,000 na 30,000 pesos, no, na mapupunta dun sa personal account mo, no? So, ang mas exciting dito, meron ka ng 4 na members ng team mo na magre-refer din katulad mo. Imagine if the 5 of you refers 5 people each, edi magkakaroon ka ng additional 5 additional 25 people, di ba? Tapos yung 25 nag-refer ng tigpa 5, additional 125 people. 125 nag-refer pa ng tigpa 5, that's additional 625 people in your organization. Nagiging exponential yung growth, pati yung income mo, no? Bumibilis yung paglaki ng income mo coming from different referrals, whether direct or indirect referrals siya, no? So that's what crowd bonus is all about. Kaya nga dito sinasabi namin, no, it's not the people you know, it's the people they know. Ano ba mas marami? Yung kakilala mo o yung kakilala ng kakilala ng kakilala ng kakilala ng kakilala ng kakilala mo? 'Di ba? Mas marami 'yon, 'di ba? That's your crowd bonus. Next way to earn yung tinatawag na matching bonus naman. Kung saan binibigyan tayo ng company ng additional 10% bonus, depende sa kinikita ng mga taong ni-refer natin dito sa negosyo or your direct referrals. So pag tinulungan natin sila na kumita na mas malaki din ang magiging matching bonus mo. Nakadepende din ang matching bonus sa package na binili mo. Halimbawa, in matching bonus level 1, kung mayroon kang Earth package at mayroon kang 5 direct referrals, kikita ka ng additional 10% bonus, depende kung magkano yung kinikita ng 5 na yon. Halimbawa, yung 5 kumita ng tigwa 100 euros. Eh di 500 yun. Magkano 10% yun? Meron kang 50 euros na additional 10% matching bonus. Pero nakadepende yan sa package na binili mo, no? Kung gusto mo naman kumita ng 10%, no, on other levels, hindi lang sa first level, pwede. Pero kailangan ma-upgrade yung package mo kasi ang qualification sa second level, kailangan air package ka, meron kang 10 direct referrals to get 10% up to the second level. So ibig sabihin, hindi ka lang kikita ng 10% dun sa 10, kikita ka rin ng 10% sa kikitain ng mga i-refer nung 10 na yon. Yun yung second level mo, di ba? Third matching bonus level naman, air package with 15 direct referrals, you earn 10% up to the third level. Fourth matching bonus level, water package yung kailangan mo dito with 20 direct referrals, you earn 10% up to the fourth level. And lastly, on the fifth matching bonus level, kailangan meron kang fire package na dito with 25 direct referrals, you earn 10% up to the fifth generation or fifth level, no? Meron lang condition, no? In order for us to earn these bonuses, kailangan meron kang kailangan active ka, meron kang at least kailangan 1:3, no? Ibig sabihin, kailangan ang maximum earning mo dito is 3 times the amount of binary bonus na kinikita mo. Kailangan meron kang binary, kailangan actively producing ka rin as an affiliate. Okay? So yan po yung matching bonus natin. Ito yung opportunity natin para kumita ng tinatawag na passive or residual income, yung income na pwede nating kitain kahit natutulog tayo, no? Kasi ito pong system ng matching bonus gumagamit ng konsepto ng leveraging. Ano ba yung leveraging? Yung kumikita ka hindi lang base sa sarili mong trabaho, kundi sa trabaho din ng maraming tao in your organization, di ba? Mas dumadali yung trabaho, mas lumalaki yung kita, di ba? So, ito yung opportunity para kumita ka ng income kahit natutulog ka. No, bakit? Kasi pag lumaki na yung grupo mo, lumaki na yung organization mo at marami nang kumikita doon, dadating yung oras na kahit tumigil ka, no? Magpahinga ka, mag-holiday ka with your family, kahit natutulog ka sa isang 5-star hotel o naglalaro ka ng golf somewhere, oras na may kumita na member ng organization mo, no? From different parts of the world, definitely kikita ka ng 10% out of their income, no? So, passive yung income na yan, di ba? Diyan tayo kikita ng malaki, yung matching bonus natin. Next way to earn, yung tinatawag na fear of loss bonus naman. Yung first 14 days natin dito sa negosyo, bibigyan kagad tayo ng company ng kickstart cash bonus, no? Kasi siyempre gusto natin, babawi na kagad natin yung puhunan natin, di ba? Yan ang una nating tinatanong pagka nagnenegosyo tayo. Kailan ko mababawi yung ROI, yung return of investment, di ba? Dito you have an opportunity to do it in 14 days, no? Gagawin lang natin yung 14-day challenge. Sabi ng company, kumuha lang tayo ng 4 na bagong member na bibili din ng mga packages natin. For example, kumuha ka ng 4 na bumili ng Earth, tapos ikaw din may Earth package. Bibigyan ka na kagad ng company ng 109 euros, no? Straight to your wallet, no? So 109 euros, no, within 14 days. Okay? Now, pag mas malaki, ibig sabihin yan, 109 euros, bawin mo na yung puhunan mo. Lumalabas din na lahat ng products and services, pati yung C1 token na nakuha mo sa Earth package mo, lumalabas libre na, di ba? E paano kung ang package mo ay Air, tapos nakakuha ka ng 4 na nakakuha din ng Air, meron kang 299 euros. Kung water package ka, nakakuha ka ng 4, kumuha din ng water, meron kang 799 euros na fear of loss bonus. Pagka ikaw naman ay fire package, nakakuha ka ng 4, nakuha ng fire package, meron kang 2,499 euros. Di ba? Kailangan lang ang condition dito, kailangan yung package mo mas malaki or dapat pareho or higher than the package of your referrals. Kung ikaw meron kang Earth package tapos ang apat na nakuha mo kumuha ng Fire package, hindi 2,499 na makukuha mo kundi 109 euros na fear of loss bonus. Malinaw po? Okay. So yan po yung fear of loss bonus natin. Now, the next way to earn, is yung tinatawag na residual bonus, or residual income. Ito naman po monthly ibibigay sa atin ng company, parang profit pool po ito. Percentage po ng profit ng company based on the sales all over the world, nilalagay nila in one profit pool. At lahat po ng pera sa profit pool na yan, paghahati-hatian natin lahat ng mga miyembro, depende nga lang po ito sa ranggo natin o network leadership level. Ano po yung mga network leadership level na yan? Team leader, coordinator, manager, director, president, senior president, at ambassador. Meron ding tatlong sub-levels yan, team leader 1 to 3 hanggang ambassador 1 to 3. Para marating natin yung mga levels na yan, ang titignan ng computer system ay yung left and right. Yung left and right ng binary structure natin. Bibilangin niya yung nagmamatch na binary or business points mo sa kaliwat kanan mo. Pag umabot na ng 500, team leader ka na. Pag umabot ng 5,000, coordinator. Pagka umabot ng 50,000, manager. Pagka 50,000, pagka 500,000, director level ka, tapos and so on and so forth, hanggang marating mo yung ambassador level. So yung kikitain mo na residual income monthly, nakadepende kung ano yung ranggo mo. Siyempre, pag mas mataas ang ranggo mo, mas malaki. Pagka mababa ang ranggo mo, mas maliit dahil mas marami kayo maghahati-hati dyan. Pero once you become a director up to ambassador level, you will receive a substantial monthly residual income from the company. Parang pension plan mo na po yan. Okay? Ang kagandahan po dito sa ating company at sa compensation plan natin, wala tayong deranking or demotion. Paakyat lang tayo ng paakyat, hindi tayo bababa. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung director tayo, we will always get the residual income of a director until we become president, senior president, or ambassador. So, as long as you are maintaining the requirement ng company, ano ba yung mga requirement na yan? Kailangan meron kang certain number of activity points, na ipapaliwanag ko po mamaya. Pero ito po yung kagandahan dito. Yung company po, meron tayong tinatawag na rank booster, Promotion po ito ng company para tulungan tayo na mag-rank up ng mabilis para makuha natin yung desired na residual income natin. Dito kumikita tayo ng extra BP sa bawat transaksyon. Pag Earth package ka nga lang, hindi kasama. Pero pag Air package ka, binibigyan ka ng additional 20%. Pag Water, additional 40%. Pag Fire package, additional 70%. Example po niyan, halimbawa may bumili ng ng Earth package natin, 55 BP lang dapat yon. Dahil additional 20%, meron kang additional na 110. 55 times 20%. Mga yun, basta 20% po ng 55 ma-add up dun sa 55 BP mo. Okay? So yan po yung rank booster promotion natin. Now, let's talk about the requirement para makuha mo lahat ng mga bonuses. Sabi ng company, kailangan lang meron kang activity points. Ano ba yung activity points na yan? Yan po yung mga points na nag-generate pagka meron nagpa-purchase ng mga products and services natin. So some of our products and services tulad ng Travalia, tulad ng Planet IX, pwede ka mag-purchase dyan monthly and you will generate activity points. Maliit lang naman activity points na hinihingi ng company. Kailangan po yan. Otherwise, nobody gets paid. The product, this is a business. Yung produkto ng company has to move or needs to be sold or nobody gets paid. So, ito po yung personal and group requirement natin para makuha natin yung mga bonuses natin. Depende pa rin doon sa ranggo natin. From team leader up to ambassador 3. Ang personal requirement natin, activity points, isa lang, 5 activity points lang. Lahat yan, regardless of your rank. Nagbabago lang yan doon sa total group activity points na required. Okay? Pag team leader ka up to coordinator, kailangan mo ng lang 5 activity points. So yung 5 activity points mo, enough na. Pero pag manager ka, manager 1 to manager 3, aside sa 5 activity points mo, dapat meron kang collective group activity points na 10 activity points. Kasama yun sa'yo. Okay? Pagka director ka naman, kailangan meron kang 15 group activity points. Pagka president ka, 20. Pagka senior president, 25. Pagka additional ambassador level ka naman, meron kang dapat 30 na group activity points. So, the bigger earnings you have, the bigger activity points required from you by the company. Siyempre, malaki ng kinikita mo, di ba? So, yan po yung activity points natin. Now, so again, no, you can get activity points from your Travilla. You can also get activity points from your monthly subscription dun sa Planet IX natin. Hindi lang activity points makukuha mo dyan, makakakuha ka pa ng mga meta shares, mga digital asset din po yan na pwede natin pagkakitaan. Okay? Now, no, ibigay ko na po sa inyo lahat ng information in order for you to understand the business, and I hope you do. Pero if it's not enough, nandiyan pa po yung mga training programs natin that will give you top education, no? Mas matututunan mo na mabilis yung itong industry na ito, no? Nandiyan po yung YouTube platform natin kung saan maraming leaders na nag-upload ng mga training and tutorials natin. Nandiyan po yung Zoom presentations natin na gagawin na natin on a more regular basis. Nandiyan po yung Mindo, an education platform, and of course, nandiyan po yung pinaka C1 dashboard or back office natin, which is constantly, no, on a daily basis nagbibigay ng mga updates sa atin and information, no, to keep us excited and motivated about our business. Okay? So, paano nga ba tayo magsisimula dito sa negosyo? Unang-una, you need to join the crowd, no? Ibig sabihin, kailangan mag-join ka, no? Yung nag-invite sa'yo, yung nagdala sa'yo sa negosyo na to, will send you an invitation link or QR code para makapag-sign up ka. And then number 2, you need to start sharing the products. Recommend natin sa mga kaibigan natin, mga pamilya natin o mga kaibigan, mag-build ka ng customer base mo. Number 3, show the plan, no? Itong pinakita kong opportunity sa inyo, ipakita rin natin doon sa ibang kakilala mo, no? Huwag nating ipagkain yung opportunity because a lot of people are looking for opportunities to earn right now, no? And number 4, pagka active ka, productive affiliate ka, of course, meron mga incentive and bonuses na bibigay sa atin yung company. Okay? So, that's how you get started in this opportunity. So, coordinate with the person who invited you at i-guide ka nila kung paano ka magsisimula dito sa negosyo. So, with everything, no, na layout ko na sa inyo para makapaggawa kayo ng para maintindihan nyo yung opportunity natin, ang natitira na lang ngayon yung decision nyo, di ba? Sabi nga nila, every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. And where do you base your decision? No? Unfortunately, majority, they base their decision on doubts and fears, di ba? Yun yung ginamit natin when Bitcoin first came to our senses, di ba? Yung doubts and fear. Kaya ngayon, hindi tayo multimillionaire. Yung mga naniwala noon, mga multimillionaire na, no? Again, yung decision na yan is very important, no? Dahil yun yung magpapakita on how we are adapting, on how we are taking the risk, and how we are committing doon sa pagbabago na gusto natin sa buhay natin, no? Sabi nga nila, kung gusto mo ng pagbabago, you have to kailangan gumawa ka ng bago, di ba? Kung pareho lang ginagawa mo araw-araw, pagising mo, pareho din yung resulta na makukuha mo, di ba? Para magbago yung resulta mo, para magbago yung buhay mo, you have to find a new opportunity na magdadagdag doon sa income mo na nakukuha doon sa current job mo, no? Which is, sabi mo nga, hindi sapat, di ba? Kulang na kulang. Every month, nagkakapatong-patong yung utang natin. So, we need to get an additional source of income, no? Tulad po ng C1 opportunity na present ko po sa inyo. So, let's not base our decision on fear. Kasi yung fear naman, temporary lang yan, no? Otherwise, pagka fear ang pinanguna, ang pinabayaan natin mag-take over, no, sa mga major decisions na gagawin natin, no? Ang kasunod noon, yung regret, which is mas malaki. Kasi yung regret po, forever na yan, hindi mo na mababawi, no? Hindi ko na maibabalik yung time na gusto ko pala mag-invest dun sa Bitcoin kung 50 pesos lang siya, di ba? Hindi ko na maibabalik yun, but I can do something now, di ba? Para maiwasan ko mag-regret in the future. Nandito yung C1 token, nandito yung Planet IX, no? A big opportunity para kumita ng malaki dito, no? So let's not make it an opportunity that got away from us once again, di ba? So, sabi nga nila, life is a journey between B and D, no? Yung B stands for birth and D stands for death, no? Yung birth, wala tayong choice. Yung death, wala din tayong choice kung paano tayo mag-exit dito. But what matters most and which will define kung magiging success or failure tayo dito sa mundo na ito ay yung gagawin nating mga choices, no? Between birth and death, di ba? Yung mga choices which will make or break us, yun po yung pinaka-importante. Ano ba yung mga choices na gagawin natin, di ba? Yan po yung choices na magli-lead sa atin to become successful in life, especially financially, no? So ngayon, meron tayong opportunity to build the tomorrow that you want. Ang question, anong bukas ba yung gusto mo para sa sarili mo, tsaka para sa pamilya mo, di ba? Here's an opportunity in front of you. What are you going to do with it, no? If I were you, I would get started now. Maraming salamat po. And again, thank you for joining us today. Sana may napulot kayo. Sana we have made you feel excited about this business opportunity, no? Papalating na po si C1 Token, kaya wag na po tayo magpaiwan. Don't miss out on this great opportunity. Paul de Guzman po, nagsasabing daig ng maagap ang masipag. Thank you.
Ayun, grabe, no? What an amazing, fantastic business presentation, no?